To deploy FastAPI on AWS Lambda, follow these steps. Set up FastAPI application. Write your FastAPI app in a file, for example, main.py. Mangum is an adapter that allows FastAPI to run on AWS Lambda, as Lambda uses API Gateway to route requests. Install dependencies. Install FastAPI, Uvicorn, and Mangum using pip. Prepare Lambda deployment package. Package your FastAPI app and dependencies into a zip file. You can use a tool like Docker to ensure all dependencies are installed correctly in the correct environment. Create Lambda function. Go to the AWS Lambda console, click Create Function and choose Other from Scratch. Select Python 3x as runtime and upload the zip file containing your FastAPI app. Create API Gateway. Create an API Gateway link to your Lambda function to expose the FastAPI app over HTTP. Deploy. Deploy the API Gateway and invoke your FastAPI app through the API Gateway URL.